is for you guys with the small machines, the hand swings. You know, the ones guys really don't give you a lot of credit for. If you belong to some groups like, when you're going to get a big machine. Here's a job you can make really good money on. I have to walk away from some of these. Some could be done with a ZT, but I'm going to do these two big ones. They're not big ones, but 24-inch basically. And the other ones, I'm going to pass them on to a guy with a smaller machine, a hand swing. So he can charge more. I'm going to show you where I'm at. Give you a job. The landscaper's on his way here. It's a big time landscaper, and he called me in for consultation. So let me turn around here. Hold on. Right, a nice estate. And here's where the tricks are. Some of you guys go, oh, I could do that. You gotta be gentle on some of these properties. Can't get in here. Just big old hollies, but there's no access. Now I know some of you are gonna say, oh, well, just dig up the hollies. Homeowner and landscaper say, nope. So even if you had a hand swing, it better be small enough to where you can lift it over, or maybe you could I bet you could. Maybe swing it through or lift it up enough to get through into there. That's one. Explain to the guy on the phone, I'm not going to be able to get to these. He says, oh, I want you to look at it anyway. So this is the kind of stuff I run into. This one has a path for a narrow one. Here we are. Let's see. Apparently they used to have big, either arborvitaes or big hollies in there. These look like, these are all hollies in here. Access, this one has an access. This is kind of like a park type setting, you know, all these deals. So, see, that's probably what they were, but even larger. You could tell by them they were pushing against these boxwoods that they were gigantic. And here's the final one. Now this one and a couple of other ones like that one have access. You could squeeze through there probably with a ZT, maybe. This one, ZT, yes. You'd have to swing around, do a little walk, come in, and you could do it with a ZT easily. All right. But I sold my ZT to another fellow. I'll pass his number on. What we'll be doing today is easy peasy for me. Bam, right next to this fountain. What a fountain, huh? What a house. Bam, that's what we'll be doing. We're out of here. Okay. There's Big Sherman, still running good. Only problems we had Big Sherman this week. You know, I go over it every weekend. I noticed some of steering linkage was a little loose. Just tightened it up, made a few adjustments and straightened out the tires. That's it for this week. She's holding up real great. She's got, hold on 1 second while she banks up, 134 hours. No, 133.4, excuse me. Running like a top. Okay, that's it. One more thing about the bigger machines. There's plenty of SG40s available from the assembly line. Assembly line is kind of shut down again due to a shortage. Hydraulic pumps are short everywhere in the United States. Okay, even oil field supplies, stuff like that. They had no cases. Then they had the internals, so you could get one rebuilt. Now there's no internals and no cases. So we're back to, due to COVID, it's shut down because of pumps. I'm still running hard, still running good. It turns out the landscaper saw us knock out the two in the front, opened the access gate to the back, gave us 9 big hollies in this flower bed. Good 30-minute pop out for us. I have to cut out some planting straps. The sun's grinding it. But this big estate, swimming pool behind there, guest house. and a full-size NBA basketball court with lighting. Just never know where my job takes me. Anyway, have a great one, guys.